And I would say artists have been our most difficult people to deal with. It's unusual to find an artist that is also a business person. And so, you might have someone come in that does, incredible work, but they have no idea how to price it, and if something sells, are you going to get a replacement for it? Is it going to be, a replacement in a couple of weeks? Or are you going to have to wait 6 months for the next one to come? And so, some those relationships have been tough because, and also, you know, artists have a difficult time staying quote unquote in business. So we'll have a particular artist that's supplying something, and we're going to be selling it, and we're selling it, and then all of a sudden that artist like drops off the face of the earth, and we'll never hear from them again, see them again, and so that's difficult. Yeah, it really is. It's